Cracks in brick, cracks in block, sticking windows or doors. Settling or sinking foundation, it's a fact. Foundation problems don't get better with time, but they do get better when you call APS.
It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the morning edition. This is for Wednesday, the 1st of June. I'm James Spann. Alabama's weather will stay fairly quiet today. We will see an increase in the number of scattered showers and thunderstorms tomorrow, and a new tropical system will likely form in the southern Gulf of Mexico within 48 hours. So, a lot to talk about this morning. This is the upper air look across the country, and again today we'll have ridging staying in place here across the southeastern states, keeping the weather mostly dry. Troughing north and west of here, you can see convection across parts of the southern plain states early this morning. We are starting off this day mostly in the upper 60s and low 70s, highs in the low 90s again today in most spots. There's the watch warning map, flash flood watches this morning for parts of Oklahoma, Kansas, Missouri. Got a risk of severe storms later today from West Texas into parts of New England. This is tomorrow, a chance of severe storms from the Arklatex region up to the middle Atlantic coast, and that does include parts of North Alabama. This is for areas along and north of Interstate 59, the darker green. Some of the storms that fire tomorrow afternoon and tomorrow evening could produce some hail and strong gusty winds. No tornado threat. And then day 3, which is Friday, a marginal risk off to the east and also for parts of West Texas, New Mexico, Colorado, and Nebraska. Here's the rain for the next 7 days. Heavier totals north and south of Alabama. For our state, the rain amounts will likely be under 1/2 inch. The really big numbers, South Florida, south of Interstate 4 with our tropical system. This is suggesting Miami might see 5 to 8 inches of rain by Friday and Saturday. So speaking of the tropics, first off, there's a little trough of low pressure northeast of the Bahamas that is not expected to develop. The ghost of Agatha is over Mexico across the Yucatan early this morning, and the Hurricane Center now giving that a 70% chance of becoming either a depression or storm in the southern Gulf by the end of this week. And this is the probabilistic outlook from the European, showing the system coming across the peninsula, not the panhandle, well to the south of here. And again, the main impact will be a lot of rain. This will not be a hurricane, just a big rainmaker. And again, the heaviest rain most likely along and south of Interstate 4 Friday and Saturday. Let's go through modeling. Model fans. The GFS, this is the 06C run, valid today at 4. Still got ridging here and no change. Hot, mostly dry with only isolated showers this afternoon. Low 90s are likely. Tomorrow, a surface front pushing in here, and that will bring the higher chance of scattered showers and storms initially to the northern part of the state. This is tomorrow night. Showers sagging to the south. They should weaken after sunset. But again, tomorrow afternoon, tomorrow evening, some of the heavier storms might produce some small hail and gusty winds. Still not raining everywhere, but this will be your best chance at rain for a while. And then Friday, a pretty good push of dry air drops in here. The sky will be sunny. The high dropping into the low and mid 80s. A really nice day. Humidity values coming down. The GFS depicting that tropical feature near Key West. This is off the European. It's a little slower, but the same idea. Just a broad tropical low, a depression most likely, maybe a weak storm coming up toward Key West. This is Saturday. The Europeans got the tropical feature near Daytona Beach. And again, a lot of rain along and south of Interstate 4. Our day Saturday here should be beautiful. Sunny with a high in the mid to upper 80s. Same thing for the central Gulf Coast, Gulf Shores, Panama City. Beautiful Saturday and Sunday should be a nice day. The tropical feature is off in the Atlantic off the coast of the Carolinas. Monday, we're still mostly dry. There might be a few isolated showers around over east or south Alabama, but we'll leave the forecast dry for now. This is Tuesday, back to the GFS. We're dry. And a week from today, Wednesday, June 8th, 588 ridge in place here. And once again, things look quiet. We've seen some other runs that suggest a little better chance of scattered storms Wednesday of next week, but this one looks pretty dry. We'll go out 10 days. This is Friday, June 10th, Friday of next week. Troughing a bit north of here. And again, just not much happening. So at this point, the weather next week looks awfully quiet. Rain for Birmingham off the European ensemble. The mean about 1.5 inches between now and the 15th of June. Temperatures, you can see the numbers coming down Friday with mid-80s, upper 80s for the weekend, and mostly low 90s next week. And the latest 8 to 14 day outlook. This is for June 8th through the 14th. Below average up north. Temperatures down this way likely a little above average. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 3 o'clock this afternoon. You can catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.
Sinking driveway? Call Alabama Professional Services. Settling patio? Call APS. Uneven pool deck? Call APS. Collapsing stoop? Call APS. Cracking sidewalk? That's right, call APS. It's a fact. Concrete problems don't get better with time, but they do get better when you call APS. Call Alabama Professional Services today.